Why is crypto crashing today? Trump China tariff news hits market. Welcome back to the channel. I was at school when this happened yesterday. I was at a sign out party at my school sign out celebration party. Well, actually, don't mind the background noise because I am at a public space, so there might be some noises. Okay, just bear with me and try to use your headphones or increase the volume of your speaker so that you can hear me clearly. So why is crypto crashing today? Now it says Trump China tariff news hit market. Why is crypto crashing today, and will the market recover? Top reasons. Why is crypto crashing today? The global crypto market has just witnessed its largest single-day wipeout in history, plunging by 9.5% in 24 hours to a market cap of $3.83 trillion. More than 9 billion in leverage positions were liquidated, erasing over $300 billion in total market value in one brutal trading session. Trump tariff turned October into Downtober. Everybody was bullish earlier this month. Now look at how the market has suddenly turned. Now the immediate trigger behind today's sharp sell-off was President Trump's sudden 100% tariff announcement on China, effective November 1, 2025. This basically means all the goods that will be coming from China into USA will be taxed like 100% tariff. The move came after Beijing tightened rare earth export controls, which the US president called a hostile act. He posted the escalation on Truth Social, declaring new export restriction on any and all critical software. Within minutes, S&P 500 futures nosedived by minus 3.5%, erasing $2.3 trillion in market value in just 6 hours. The S&P 500 closed minus 2.7% lower, its biggest one-day drop since April. Traders had been expecting a pullback for weeks as leverage soared and no major correction had occurred for 6 months. Trump's post became the spark that set off the powder keg, which is true. If you check XRP's chart, XRP has been moving sideways for the past few months. I was like, really? Why is it not pumping? Why is it not? Though it pumped a little bit in between those few months, but it was basically moving sideways mostly for most of the month. But what happened yesterday, because this is what's today's date? This is October 11, 2025, and this happened October 10, 2025. Crypto, being a high beta asset class, reacted violently. Bitcoin crashed 7%, falling from 121k to around 104k before stabilizing at 112k. Ethereum plunged 12%, now at $3,819,000. Solana tumbled 16% to $186, while XRP slid 14% to 2.42. Actually, XRP went down to at least $1.50. It was a flash crash. The market basically died. So as market price in geopolitical uncertainty and risk of sentiment spread. Adding to the chaos was Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's silence on the upcoming October 29 FOMC meeting. Markets had hoped for clarity on possible rate cuts. Powell offered none, increasing speculation that no rate cuts will be announced. This unexpected silence poured gasoline on the already burning market, reinforcing the narrative of why is crypto market down today. Meanwhile, the fear and greed index collapsed from 64 greed yesterday to 27 fear today. So such extreme fear levels often signal panic selling, which is true, but for contrary investors, they can hit at potential buying opportunities if the macro environment stabilizes. Ongoing acts deepen market anxiety. Market sentiment was further weakened by recent high-profile security breaches. including a BNB chain hack, pancake swap account compromise, and a CZ hack alert. These incidents have shaken confidence in DeFi platforms and centralized services alike, intensifying the risk of wave. Will the crypto market recover again? Of course, the crypto market always recovers, but let's read this article and see what awaits us. Despite the intense sell-off, not everything points to a long bear phase. Several upcoming events could shift sentiment again, hinting towards buy the deep opportunity. The Solana ETF approval and XRP ETF decision by the SEC are pending and could inject renewed optimism. The October 29 FOMC meeting remains a critical date. If Powell hints at policy support, it could reverse the wise crypto crashing and will it recover narrative. Historically, such sharp corrections often pave the way for powerful rebounds, especially if macro panics fades and institutional flow returns. I hope anyone watching my video right now didn't lose any money trading when the flash crash happened. Even if you lost some money trading, take a look at what happened, try to learn from this, because this kind of stuff happen, rarely. The last time this kind of stuff happened was in 2022 when the FTX scandal happened. This is actually a very good buying opportunity for crypto investors, especially if you are holding cash or if you are holding a lot of stable coins. This is why it's good. It's a good strategy to sometimes, when you are taking profits, have stable coins, so that this is not financial advice, right? But if it were me, if I had stable coins or if I had cash, I will buy it. I see this as a buying opportunity. Though if you take a look at some coins like XRP, XLM, and so some others, they still have downside risk because XRP has gone up a lot. If you watch my previous videos, you will see that XRP has gone up a whole lot. So, and XLM too, you take a look at XLM charts. XLM looks attractive to buy, though there are some there are still some downside risks while buying this coin, because they have experienced rallies earlier this year. So these dips are buying opportunities, though it may have caught a lot of people off guard. A lot of people lose money. People lost billions of dollars. A lot of people are liquidated. Meanwhile, there were some insiders that traded like 30 minutes before the crash. They short the market, and what happened? They gained billions. Like, bro, if I had the article, I would have posted it, but because of our time, you can even research it. That who are those that gained? Just Google it on the internet. Who are those that gained from this flash crash that happened? So just be careful out there. Stay safe. Before you invest into any coin, don't forget to always do your research. Don't send money to anybody online. Okay, anybody that you don't know. Don't send money to anybody to trade for you. If you take a look at the markets right now, everything is already recovering. A lot of these coins are resilient in nature, most especially XRP. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video for more. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.